Hey David, it's finale time. Remember this little guy? The Segliment Display? Yes, that's right. Guess what I've done? I've made 19 kits. 18 and yours. These kits are going on Tindie. Well, the 18 kits are going on Tindie. I'm going to send you one. I'm going to keep my board. That's 2. And then 18 lucky people will be able to grab one of these from Tindie. It's in kit form. It's got all the parts you need inside. It's got a nice colour printed card that points where everything goes. It's got an extra couple of filaments just in case you break one. It's got everything you need to build your own Segliment display. So that's it. I'm just doing 18 on Tindie. I'm not going to be making any more. They're limited edition. They're called the David Watts An Unexpected Maker Segliment Display, and my Tindie store marks them as limited edition, 18 only. So the Tindie store should be up, I think, now, and first come, first serves, then it's over with. No more to be made. That's it. It's been a fun project, David. I really enjoyed working on it with you, and I'm glad you're putting your Segliment displays to good use with your clock. Can't wait to see how that turns out. But for me, the journey is over, and it's time to move on to what's next. What's next, David? Okay, anyway, very exciting news. Lots of kits. Took me ages to pack them. I'm excited to see if people want to build them. So, until next time, catch you all later. The Tindie link's in the description below. Catch you later. Bye. I've made 18 kits. Whoops, that's yours.